How are you? Do you know me? Okay, no problem. Let me introduce myself. I am Saif-Coder. You can say your senior. I passed MCA final year or in 2017. So I'm just a senior. I was recruited by AlmaMate and now I'm working in techmatrix consulting. And when I heard that AlmaMate is coming again in AMU, and let me tell you about that AlmaMate is very much happy with AMU students. So it's a very pleasure moment for me to find out or to say that okay, AMU is coming, and AMU is coming in Noida, and AMU students are achieving more than that. We are 7 students from AMU and working in techmatrix from because we are hired from AlmaMate, and we are very happy. Our boss, our company are very happy with us. We are getting you can say satisfactory package, so it's a very good. AlmaMate is just hiring a people for a student, you can say students. They train them and then they deploy them in one of the big company in Salesforce, you can say that. So we were recruited in techmatrix. Now you will be recruited, I can say, Cloud Certitude. So AlmaMate is a training company. They train well. I will not say they train better or best, but yeah, they train well. You will learn many things like that, and the main technology you will work on that will be cloud, or you can say Salesforce. Salesforce is a very big company in USA and one of the leading CRM software. It is based on cloud, so it is very much popular. Nowadays, I can say that the most sexy and the most attractive job is in Salesforce. Highest paid Indians are working in Salesforce. So if you want to earn more money, if you want to learn new thing, you can join Salesforce or AlmaMate. So AlmaMate, that was all about AlmaMate. So Cloud Certitude, the company that is coming, it is a very big company also, and it is working for Salesforce. So you will be very happy. What else I know, I can say that there will be 3 rounds or 4 rounds. In the first round, you will have to prepare, you will have to give the technical written round, and in the technical round, just pen and paper, 2 or 3 programs in C, C++, Java, or your favorite language. It doesn't matter to me. You can use only pseudocode for that. In that written, you will have to face some SQL problem also, SQL query, MySQL, you know that, and ER diagram. One ER diagram is most important in that AlmaMate interview. And the second thing that I want to describe, for the second round of interview, you will be judged by your programming skill, not by your database structures, or you can say data structure algorithm, just your theory, your approach, what you are delivering. Be focused on your language, one language. And in the third round, you will be judged by your personality, your resume. So make a good resume. I will tell you more about that a little bit. And in the fourth round, they will select some student, or 10 or 15 student. And in the fourth round, that may be will be taken by Cloud Certitude in the January or in any month else. So you just have to qualify only 3 rounds. In the fourth round, you will be available, no problem at all. So if we will talk about first round, you can say written interview. And in the written interview, you just have to face simple program like print a prime numbers, you can say factorial of numbers, or you can say just write even programs for that. And the second question will be for SQL, and in that SQL, or you can say MySQL, the favorite question is find the second highest salary of any employee from a table. Find the second highest salary if any employee from the table. So this is a very good question. You just have to find the answer by yourself. But the SQL query is very important, and in that SQL query, one question will be for nested query. You know that, select a star from a table name, and where the select star from. So again, select and select. The nested query will be good. And the third one is ER diagram. So you know that I have a link, I have a video you can see here. Build a simple project using PHP. Here I have used ER diagram. You can see that, and I will give you the link of that also, so you can search that how to make ER diagram. Okay. And the third one, you have to make a good resume, and that resume will look like something This was my resume, and you can see here, and the 3 HR selected me by my resume. They didn't ask anything, they didn't ask any questions with me, they just see my resume, and the resume was that, like that. I will provide this link also for you, so you just have to start with that. So don't try so hard, don't try to run, or you can say remind, or you can say ratta, and don't try to do that. Just give a simple SQL query. Just try to prepare simple SQL query. Try to use multi-threading, try to define multi-threading, multi-programming like questions. And the third thing that is very much important, try to write one simple ER diagram. That will be useful, you can understand that. Okay, if you are not making, no problem at all. Just say, be honest, be confident, not so overconfident, because I have seen in our interviews some students were not selected because of their overconfidence. So don't be so overconfident. And the last one, good luck for your future. Do join Cloud, Salesforce Cloud, because for 10 years or 15 years, Cloud is at boom. You can say Salesforce is like an ocean. My favorite teachers always say Salesforce is like an ocean. You just have to drive it. You can find anything like sea or anything. So good luck for your future. You can ask anything in comments below if you have any questions right now. Thank you for defining that. I will comment each and every link in my video. You can see here that so below that video I can comment every link of that. I will give you the examples of SQL also, and I will give you the resume also. So thank you for watching. Good luck for your future. This is Saif again from Coder In Me.